Good evening, everybody. Tonight we're gonna do something super simple. It's a Monday evening and we are gonna just cook up some, or grill up some pork chops. These are loin chops without the bone. Just gonna season them up with a little dry rub, throw them on the grill real quick for an easy dinner on a weeknight. So hope y'all enjoy. Well, as you can see, we've got 8 of the loin boneless chops here. Very nice thick cut, perfect for grilling. I've got just a simple rub, salt, pepper, garlic, a little paprika, and a little comino in there. And as you can see, it's kind of hard to tell. I didn't go crazy on the paprika, so it's just a regular simple little rub we're gonna put on here. Get a nice little coating on. You can definitely smell the comino in it. But we're just gonna season these up real easy with this rub here, and I've already got the grill going, so that should be ready to go here pretty quick actually. And we'll throw these things on. These do not take very long to cook. It's probably gonna be 20 minutes total, 10 minutes aside, something like that, and they'll be done. They can be overcooked, and they still taste good when they're overcooked, but they do tend to get a little dry at that point. So we'll flip these over. You can see these are nice, really nice thick cut chops here. I like to get a good amount of seasoning on there. Especially since we're not going to sauce these, we're just going to rely on the rub. Just go rub these in a little bit. We'll break that membrane down, the outer membrane there. Okay. Alright. We are all seasoned up. So we're going to check the fire. As soon as it's ready, we're going to throw these on. So we'll be back here in a few. All right, everybody. So we got the fire ready. The coals have burned down. The grill is all ready. We're going to go ahead and throw these on there. Now, I'm going to do it probably about 10 minutes aside. The fire itself is, as you can tell, it's burnt down pretty good. So it's going to cook a little slower. You want to get it to an internal temp of about 150. And then let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes, something like that, before you cut into it. So I'm gonna leave these on here about 10 minutes aside, maybe 11 depending on what the internal temp is, but it's gonna be about 10 minutes. Flip it, and then we'll check the internals after 10 minutes on that one. So we'll be back here in just a bit. Well, folks, here's the final product. As you can tell, got a nice little char on the outside, and they smell absolutely delicious. I'm going to go ahead and cut one right here so you can see the inside. They are so juicy. Look at that. How nice and cooked through they are. I got them to 150 degrees. They came out really, really good. They've been resting for about 10 minutes now. And we are definitely going to be enjoying these here shortly. So hope y'all enjoyed these, this little quick during the week barbecue. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know, and would love if you would subscribe to the channel, because I will have more videos coming out. Thank you.